Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Cladograms get easy fast when you track shared traits at each branch, because this one is really asking what ferns and pines inherited together. In a cladogram, two groups share every trait that appears before their line splits. So first look for the branch point connecting ferns and pines, then trace backward together. Ferns and pines both come after embryo and xylem appear, so those traits are shared by both groups, and that already matches the common history shown on the diagram. However, wood and seeds evolve later on the pine line, after ferns split off, so they are not shared by both, which locks option C. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap, rushing past the split. Rule, trust the cladogram and check which traits appear before both groups diverge.